Hey there, welcome to Next Gen Tech Tools. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about AI tools in the world, ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Let's start simple. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that can understand your questions and generate human-like responses in seconds. It can write scripts, summarize emails, generate content ideas, help with homework, code, and even tell jokes. Pretty wild, right? But how does it actually work? ChatGPT is built on something called a large language model, trained on massive amounts of data from books, websites, and more. It doesn't think, it predicts what should come next in a sentence and does it really well. Now, here's where it gets cool. People are using ChatGPT to write content, plan social media posts, get coding help, prep for job interviews, and even automate boring tasks. There's a free version with solid features and a pro version with GPT-4, faster, smarter, and more advanced. Why do people love ChatGPT? Saves time, boosts creativity, works across industries, easy to use. But remember, it's not perfect. It can make mistakes, so always double-check anything important. So, is ChatGPT worth using in 2025? Absolutely. Whether you're a student, a startup, or just tech curious, it's a tool you'll want in your digital toolbox. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Next Gen Tech Tools, where we make the future practical.